Alright, so we're on our way to the testing backyard range thing. Let's go. Come on.
I did not keep that in mind.
What?
Because I have my stock little closet back.
Oh, okay, well, I'll meet you outside. And, it's gonna be dark outside. What? It's gonna be dark outside, so you guys might not be able to see as much stuff. I'm gonna flip on my flashlight so you guys can see some stuff. But, hopefully it's not gonna be that bad. We'll turn on the lights so it's off. Anyway, alright, let's go, man. Let's do this. Let's blow this popsicle. Whoa, let's blow this popsicle down. Right here. Right now. What? I still use that expression? What do you think?
Okay, what's up? What do you want?
I want some food.
Are you practicing?
Check your feet before you come back in.
Oh, that happened to me, so I had to switch shoes. Okay. Wait, let's turn on some lights. I can't see anything. Okay, well, you guys won't be able to see anything. Awesome. Here we go. Just shoot anywhere. Go, shoot.
Look at that.
Wait, let me come over on this side. So, I don't know if you guys can see this, but check that out. That's so awesome. We'll show you guys inside. Okay, we are using high caps right now, but it's just for right now. We don't actually use them on the field.
Okay, hold up. Keep that flashlight on.
Can you see the BBs?
No, I can't.
Me neither.
Yeah. Alright, let's put this thing on.
Alright, ready? Compare to me, okay? Wait. Ready?
Here you
Ready? 3. Okay, 3, 2. Just shoot anywhere. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I see him. I see him at the very end of the barrel. Wow, that's so cool, man. And yours sounds it sounds cool.
Yours shoots a lot faster than mine.
All I can see is a trace of white. That's all I see on mine. Oh, I see. Yours is way high. Way high.
What?
You hop up.
My what?
You hop up. Alright, I'm out. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back inside in a few.